Assalamualaikum warahmatullahi wabarakatuh, and hello everyone. Before we continue, let us introduce ourselves first. Hi, I am Amalia Safwana binti Saifullizan.
Hi, my name is Syafiq bin Azleen.
Hi, my name is Ilmin Muhaimin.
Hello everyone, my name is Aida Adryana binti Sham Shukri.
And we are representing Sekolah Menengah Sains Teluk Intan Semesti for Malaysia International Young Inventors Olympiad 2021.
So first of all, let us introduce our project. Most plants thrive with pH value between 5.5 to 6.5. Hence, we all know that optimal pH value of water is important to allow ideal growth of plants. Greenhouses near industrial sites which water their plants using rainwater are more prone to acid rain as they are exposed to polluted air and smoke from factories. Our team has conducted a research to solve these issues and have finally invented our own water filter known as Rain Filter House. Rain Filter House or RAF House is eco-friendly and also low cost. Now, why did we invent another water filter when there are tons of it already? Well, that is the point of this video, to show you the uniqueness of our RAF house, which would be a great investment and also an ally to the Mother Nature. So, let's move on to the problem statement.
One of the most common problems that gardeners are facing right now is regarding the cost. Most greenhouses do install a watering system, but this could cost up to thousands ringgit of Malaysia, without taking water bills into consideration. Next, greenhouses near industrial sites will have problems with the plants, since acid rain and the polluted air will affect the growth of the plants. And last but not least, acids that are injected into the water source to treat the water are all very harmful and very dangerous to us.
Let's move on to the objectives of the project. So, our first objective is to create an affordable and efficient filtering system. Most filtering systems are very costly as they could cost up to $2,500. We want to create an alternative which would minimize the expenses of farmers. So, as you know, RAF House is an innovation of a normal greenhouse. This leads to our second objective, which is to accelerate the growth of plants. We want to grow plants to their maximum potential. This would help farmers in increasing their amount of harvest, hence also helps in our country's agricultural sector. Last but not least, we want to find an alternative source of water. Of course, greenhouses use lots of water as we need to water our plants. So, if we take tap water and use it to water our plants, this would lead to an increase of our expenses in the water bills. Our water bills would skyrocket. This is why we want to find an alternative source of water. So, how does RAF actually works? So, this is a complete overview of our rain filter house, or also known as RAF house.
How does RAF house works? Firstly, rainwater will be collected using gutters that are installed around the roof. The rainwater then will be stored in a large storage tank. Leaves and debris are screened here. Next is where our most highlighted part of the project plays the role. Rainwater will continue to be filtered here. In this filter, there are rocks with lichens on it. It will help neutralize the acid rain to make it suitable for plant watering. After the process is done, the water will be transferred to another storage tank. Watering system will be installed from this tank to supply water for the plants inside.
So again, this is a 360-degree view of our filter, which has lichens to neutralize acid rain.
Now, I would like to tell you about our target audience. First of all, our target audience is a gardener who lives near to industrial site. Oftenly, these gardeners have and issues with acidic rain. So they can use this filter, our filter, to filter the acidic rainwater for their plants. Other than that, we would like to target the people who love gardening but also have an acidic rain issues with them, so they can use our filter to filter the acidic rainwater and use them for their plants.
So next I want to share about the benefit of the RAF house. So the first benefit is to ensure the plant get a clean water for growth and maintain its rigidity. So if the plant is watered by the acidic water, it will harm the plant because the characteristic of acid is corrosive. So it will erode the plant and the plant will literally die. So we can prevent it by using the RAF water. So the second benefit is the cost of making the product is low because the main substance in the product is only lichen, and lichen can be easily found widely because as we know that lichen is the basic life before the other plants grow. So lastly, the benefit of the product is it able to reduce loss to the farmer. So before this, the acid rain always kill the plant and especially the farmer's plant, and it result to the loss to the farmer. But now if you use the RAF water, they can gain more profit as their plant grows well and healthy.
So we have come to the end of this video. We hope that by our invention of RAF house or rain filter house, we could help make the world a better and greener place.